Zendesk versus Help Scout. Which is the best help desk software? That's the question we're tackling today, and I'll be breaking down each option to help you decide which one stands out. But stick with me, because by the end of this video, I'll be revealing a better option that I personally recommend after trying both of these. Let's dive right into it. Zendesk, a giant in the help desk software world, offers a wide range of features that make it an all-in-one solution. It's well suited for larger businesses with high volumes of customer interactions. The dashboard is packed with options: ticket management, live chat, knowledge base, and reporting tools. But as powerful as it is, Zendesk can sometimes feel overwhelming with its abundance of features. If you're a smaller team or need something more user-friendly, it can be a bit too much. Next, let's talk about Help Scout. Help Scout is known for its simplicity and clean interface. It's designed for teams that don't need all the bells and whistles, but still want solid customer support features. Help Scout's shared inbox and knowledge base are intuitive and easy to use. The downside? It lacks some of the advanced reporting features that Zendesk offers. If you're looking for more detailed analytics, Help Scout might feel a little basic. Now, one of the biggest things to consider is pricing. Zendesk's pricing is tiered, and while it starts at a lower rate, it can quickly get expensive as you add on more features and users. For small businesses, that can quickly spiral out of control, especially if you're not using every feature. Help Scout, on the other hand, keeps things simpler with a more predictable pricing structure. It's generally cheaper, but remember, it's not as feature-packed as Zendesk, so you may be sacrificing some advanced functionality. Moving on to integrations, both Zendesk and Help Scout offer a wide range of third-party integrations, so you won't be left high and dry there. However, Zendesk does have the upper hand when it comes to the sheer number of integrations available. Whether it's CRM tools or e-commerce platforms, Zendesk connects to pretty much everything. Help Scout has fewer integrations, but for most small to mid-sized businesses, it has all the essentials covered. The next thing we need to talk about is scalability. Zendesk is great for growing teams or enterprises because it scales well. As your business grows, Zendesk grows with you. However, that scalability comes at a cost. As mentioned earlier, the price goes up, and managing those extra features can become complex. Help Scout, while more limited, is designed to be flexible for growing teams without overwhelming you. It's a little easier to manage, especially if you're trying to scale without jumping through too many hoops. Now, let's talk about customer support. Zendesk has a great support team, and given its massive user base, it's easy to find solutions to your problems online. However, some users report that getting direct help can take time due to the volume of inquiries. Help Scout shines in this area, with excellent customer service and a more personal touch. The support team is responsive, and with its small business focus, you won't be stuck waiting on hold for ages. The fourth thing I want to mention is reporting. Zendesk's reporting capabilities are robust. You get detailed reports and insights into customer interactions, which is crucial for larger teams. If you need those numbers to analyze performance or improve your strategy, Zendesk delivers. Help Scout's reporting is much simpler. While it covers the basics, if you need deep data analysis, you might feel limited. Finally, let's talk about ease of use. Help Scout shines in this category. It's simple, intuitive, and doesn't come with the steep learning curve you might find with Zendesk. It's a great choice for teams that don't have the time to go through hours of training. Zendesk's complexity can be a drawback for some. There's a lot to learn, especially if you're not using all the features, making it harder for smaller teams to get started. So, what's the bottom line? Both Zendesk and Help Scout are strong options, but the winner depends on your business size, needs, and budget. Zendesk offers more features and scalability, but it comes with a steeper learning curve and higher costs. Help Scout provides a simpler, more affordable solution, but you may miss out on advanced reporting and integrations. That said, after trying both of these myself, I believe there's a better alternative out there. If you want something that combines the best of both worlds, great features, simplicity, and affordable pricing, I recommend you check out the first link in the description for an exclusive free trial. You'll get the best deal, and trust me, it's worth it. Take advantage of this limited time offer and see how it compares to Zendesk and Help Scout.